You're looking at a $100,000 La Cornue range, hand-built, custom enamel, the kind of range you redesign your kitchen around. It's one of the most impressive cooking products you can buy, but it might not be the most impressive range in this video. Yes, it's fully customizable. You can pick your cooktop. You get French tops, you can simmer and sear at different temperatures on the same surface, wok burner, griddle, grill, induction, it's your call. The ovens can run in gas and electric side by side. Bake in the electric side with the drier heat, roast and broil on the gas side, where the extra moisture keeps the food from drying out. The oven itself is vaulted, no fan. That shape moves air naturally, so food comes out less dry than a convection oven. Then the finish, enamel in dozens of colors and multiple trims. No two La Cornues have to look alike. At $100,000, this range acts like furniture, not just an appliance, and it should. It might not be the most impressive one on this list for you. You'd think a $20,000 range is 5 times worse than the $100,000 La Cornue, and you'd be wrong. The Wolf dual fuel is more powerful in overall BTU. You still get multiple configurations, French top, grill, griddle, double grill. You just can't mix and match them the way you can on a La Cornue. You also get tech the La Cornue doesn't have. No clock, no timer on the La Cornue. The Wolf has a 7-inch touchscreen and guided cooking. Tell it what you're making and how you like it cooked. It sets the time, the temperature, and the rack position. Here's the trade-off. Wolf's convection system is excellent, but it's convection, not the vaulted no-fan oven. And in the oven, you have to choose electric, not both, the way you can on a La Cornue. 3 finishes, a couple of different trims. It's a good-looking range, just not a La Cornue with 50 finishes and a more heirloom look. So, on a $20,000 Wolf, you get tech and power you don't get on a $100,000 range. What you give up is customization on the top, ovens that are gas and electric, as well as a more refined look. That $10,000 range is still pretty good. This is the Monogram, 36 inches. Smaller than the Wolf or the La Cornue, but the burners are more powerful. At 23,000 BTUs, it's more powerful than the $20,000 Wolf and the $100,000 La Cornue. You still get a choice of grill or griddle, infrared like the Wolf, so it's a direct heat source. You can even cook with the griddle by temperature instead of just guessing high or low. At this price, the oven is gas only, not dual fuel. You still get a large oven, just one, and only one finish, stainless steel. So you lose the size option, the customization, and the colors the other 2 ranges gave you. But for $10,000, this is still an excellent range. Now we're down to a $2,000 range. This is an LG slide-in. You would think this is where the compromise starts. Not exactly. 5 burners. The 2 front burners hit 20 and 18,000 BTU. It's got tech the others don't. Tap it twice to look inside the oven or tap it again to make it dark. You do get a griddle burner, but it's less BTU and not integrated and consistent like the others. So here's what you do give up. No size options, no grill, gas only, no electric choice, and only one finish, stainless steel. But 30 inches is the standard size in most American kitchens. So for most people, that's not a real downside. For $2,000, this is a surprising amount of power. All 4 of these ranges are good. I could have also swapped in Blue Star for the Wolf or Thermador for the Monogram. Similar features, same idea. Now that you know what to look for, whether you're buying a 36-inch or going custom, make sure there's service behind it. We did 33,190 service calls just last year. That's not a small number just in the Boston area, so there's a real need for it. So there you have it. 4 ranges, 4 different prices. Which one surprised you? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see the best 48-inch ranges, click this video. And thanks for watching.